Hello everyone, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange inside Verstov, kicking butt, taking names. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a fascinating market. Let's see what we have today. It's March 5th, it's Tuesday, beginning of the month. We've had a wild roller coaster ride, but we're sort of kind of like the delta of a river in so many ways. We are working ourselves and meandering to this level where we've shrunk down the highs and the lows of the rallies and the sell-offs that we've seen due to all that information that I talk about on a daily basis, whether it's interest rates, whether it's China, whether it's Trump, whether it's Brexit, whether it's North Korea, whatever we're talking about that have taken us up to this level fast and furiously with little bits of little headwinds along the way. At the end of the day, we're right around the 26,000 level and the 2,800 level in the S&P and the Dow. All that being said, where does this find us now? Well, we've gotten ourselves sort of dwindling into a channel where we are hitting up against resistance, and I've talked about it over the days that we need a reason to break above it. We've broke above it, but we've not been able to sustain that. And we've hit it and we've broke below it, but we've not been able to sell off. So those who are sitting around the shopping list looking for discounts have not had a chance to really buy things or cover their shorts. And those that are looking to buy it for some value and get a bounce up at these levels, people are trying to play catch up from the fast and furious rally we've had. But those people are finally just biting the bullet and getting involved in the market up at these high valuation levels. Nobody's getting really what they want to do. So this channel is getting narrower and narrower and narrower, and basically we're either going to see it break out above or we're going to see it sell off. That's what we're seeing. We're testing that. My gut is that I think we may see a sell off before we see a further rally, unless something comes out and the narrative changes over the next couple of days. But net at the end of the day, we have made an attempt to get through this barrier, which we tried to do 3 times in the fourth quarter of last year. We've tried to do it 2 or 3 times this year, even though we've rallied back from those crazy oversold lows of the Christmas Eve day, and seen a fast and furious rally, 11% this year, 18% off the lows. We're now hitting our heads up against the ceiling. 26,000 in the Dow, 2,800 in the S&P. We can't seem to get above it. And eventually we're going to hit ourselves enough that basically, if you can't find a reason to buy it, the big guys are going to start selling it. Our guys are definitely dipping their toe into the short side. Those guys haven't really pressed it, but they will. And when everyone else gets on board, when they realize those guys could be the winners in the next little quadrant of market movement, then maybe they're going to press that game. So at the end of the day today, we were down an odd lot in the S&P. We're not there yet by any means. This is not a sell-off by any means. This is butting your head, standing up on a plane. If you're 6'4" and keep tapping your head against that ceiling, and eventually you're either going to blow through it, you're going to sit the heck down and just give it a break. I'm not sure where we're going to go. Basically, people I've spoken to today who've watched this, who have a lot more experience than I, are saying don't hold any risk on for the next few days because we could be going down. I'm not clear, and I can't predict what's going to happen tomorrow. Obviously, 2 choices, you know that. The Dow off 13 points, no big gain, no big deal. The Russell off 7, no big deal. S&P's off 3, absolutely no big deal. Gold flat, oil flat. This market is trading in a super tight range. It's just you're standing up, butting your head, standing up, butting your head, not clear where it's going to go. The move that we're going to see is going to be big. Either way, it's going to blow through or sell off. Something's going to happen. It may take a day or 2. It may take some news. It may take some headlines. Not sure what the catalyst is going to be, but something is going to happen. It always does. History shows us that. So that's it. I'm not going to read too much into it. It's inside Verstov. It's me, NYSE Einstein, from the Florida New York Stock Exchange. We're going to see it. We're going to hold on to it. We're going to take it clear. Hold on to your pants. We're ready for a roll. We're ready for a move. Not sure which way it's going to go. Love you all. I'll see you tomorrow. Take it easy. Later.